Is artificial intelligence the final nail in the coffin for human jobs? Picture this. Writers, customer service representatives, even educators, all jobs once dominated by humans are now on the brink of being usurped by AI. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? The idea of machines governed by complex algorithms taking over our livelihoods. The problem is real and it's here, but there's no need for despair. There's a silver lining to this cloud. The solution isn't to wage war against AI, but to embrace it. Yes, you heard right. The key is to learn to work with AI, not against it. Scene script. Think of AI as a tool that can supercharge your productivity, inject creativity into your work, and give you an edge in your professional life. AI tools such as ChatGPT, Midjourney, Pictory are not the enemy. They're your allies, your partners. These tools can make you faster, more creative, and unbeatably productive. They can help you perform your job more efficiently, leaving you with more time to focus on tasks that require human touch, empathy, and creativity. So the question isn't whether AI is going to replace your job. The real question is, are you ready to harness the power of AI and use it to your advantage? Now is the time to embrace the future. It's time to turn the tide and make AI work for you. It's time to be the one who uses AI, not the one who's replaced by it. Follow 25 New TV. Learn how to navigate in this new world. Discover how to leverage AI in your profession. Be a part of the revolution. After all, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today.